Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can render in Davinci Resolve. So firstly go to Davinci Resolve. Then as you can see I already have a clip in my Davinci Resolve. Then what you have to do is just go to the delivery tab over here. Then select the format that you want. For me it's QuickTime and the CUDA is H.265, and after making all the necessary changes like resolution, frame rate, quality, etc., just simply click on add to render queue. Then choose a location for the render. Then enter a name. Then just simply press save. And over here at the right hand side just simply click render all and the render will start. So as you can see over here it is written completed in 3 seconds, meaning the render has been completed. Now if you go back to the location where you saved, you will find that video is over there. That's how you can render a video in Davinci Resolve. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.